Hey everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. If you've ever wondered how to make your Power BI reports more interactive, you're in exactly the right place. Today I'm going to walk you through how to create a dynamic drill button in Power BI, all without using any code. By the end of this video, you'll know how to let your users dive deeper into data details just by clicking a single button. It's a fantastic way to make your dashboards more powerful and beginner-friendly, so let's get right into it. First up, we need to create what's called a drill-through page. Think of this like setting aside a special space in your report where users can zoom in on a specific slice of data. To make this page, scroll all the way down to the bottom of your list of report pages. You'll see a little plus sign. Go ahead and click that. This adds a brand new page to your report. Let's keep things neat by naming it Drill Through. Just double-click on the new tab and type in the name. Now, over in the visualization pane, we'll set up which field the user can drill into. For this demo, let's keep it simple and use category as our example. All you need to do is find category in your fields pane, then click and drag it into the drill through filters area on the right. What this does is it tells Power BI whenever someone wants to drill into a category, this is the page to show them. It's kind of like saying, open up this side room and show me only the details I care about right now, which is super helpful if you have loads of data and want to make the user experience cleaner. You'll notice, as soon as you add a field like category to your drill through filters, a back button shows up automatically at the top left of your new page. This is a nice touch from Power BI. It gives users an easy way to return to where they came from. Don't worry if you don't see it immediately. Sometimes it takes a moment, but it'll be there. Alright, once our drill-through page is set, let's head back to the main report page where most of your data visuals live. Now we're going to add a button that triggers the drill-through action. Look for the Insert tab at the top, choose Buttons, and pick an option you like, maybe a blank or text button. Drag it onto your report and let's name it Drill Through again just for this demo, but you can get creative with naming later on. Here's the magic. We want this button to actually take the user to the drill through page, but only when a specific value is chosen. So with the button selected, go into its action settings. Change the type from the default to drill through, and then for the destination, pick your drill through page you set up earlier. That links the button to the drill through feature you just created. Here's something important. For the button to work, you need to select a category in your visual, like in your main table. The drill through relies on knowing which specific bit of data the user wants to explore further. So just click a category, then while holding down the control key, click your drill through button. You'll be whisked away to that special page with all the details filtered for the category you picked. If you want to go back, remember that back button we noticed earlier. Just click that as well and you'll land right back on the main page. The first couple of times it might feel a bit finicky since you need to use CTRL and click, but soon it'll feel second nature. And that's it. In just a few simple steps, you've made your reports way more interactive, adding a really professional feel for anyone who uses them. Thanks so much for following along. If this helped you, give it a thumbs up, and if you have any questions or run into any snags, leave a comment down below. I read each one and love to help out. Don't forget to subscribe for more Power BI tips and no-code tutorials just like this. See you in the next one.